Question number 10, 2 10 30, 10 30. The value of 10 30, 1 by root 3. 10 30, 1 by root 3. Then cot 30 is root 3 upon 1. So 10 30 is 1 by root 3 minus upon 1 minus 10 30 again 1 by root 3 whole square. Solve this value. 2 1s are 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus square of 1 square of root 3 3. Solve this. 2 by root 3 remains same. Now LCM is 3 here in denominator. 3 1s are 3 minus 3 1s are 3 and 1 1s are 1. You can write down 2 by root 3 upon 2 upon 3. 2 by 3. And this will be reciprocal. 2 by root 3 multiply with 3 by 2. So we can cancel out this. 2 1s are 2. And we can write down 3 upon root 3. And we can write down this is root 3 multiply with root 3. We can write down 3 as 3 root 3 multiply with root 3 upon root 3 remains same. So root 3 will cancel out. So the value is root 3. Question number 11. Find the value of x in the following. We have to find out the value of right hand side and the value is of the cos sign will be cos sign. So cos x will remain same is equal to cos 60 root 3 by 2 multiply with. But you cannot solve these questions if you don't learn the values. If you not learn the values, so learn the values first. Cos 60 root 3 by cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. Solve this. Root 3 upon 4. Root 3 upon 4 plus this is also root 3 upon 4. So you can write down 2 time 1 time root 3 by 4 and 1 time 2 root 3 by 4. So 2 time root 3 by 4. This will cancel out 2. So the cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. The value of cos is root 3 by 2 means the value of x is this is the value of cos 30. So x is equal to 30 degree. Same here. Question number second. Sin 2x is equal to solve this root 3 upon 2 multiply with cos 60 cos 30 root 3 by 2. This is also minus cos 60 1 by 2 multiply with sin 30 1 by 2. This will 3 upon 4. 3 by 4. Root 3 multiply with root 3. 3 and 2 2s are 4 minus 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. Now solve this. 4 is LCM. 4 1s are 4. 1 3s are 3 minus 4 1s are 4 and 1 1s are 1. This will 2 upon 4 means 1 by 2. So sin 2x is 1 by 2. So the value theta is here 2x. Theta is 2x here. So 2x is equal to the just wait. You can write down sin 2x is equal to half is sin. You can write down sin 30 means 2x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 upon 2. This will 50. You can take the snapshot.